Alright, I don't want to jinx myself on this, but I'm gonna try and record and play. Let's hope for something big. I do stop the reels, don't get upset with me. This is not looking good. I should not be recording. I think it jinxed me. That's a lot of sevens though. Oh, didn't pay very well. Oh, finally some free spins. I do much better when I'm not recording on this game. Oh, that was a good one. $60 plus whatever those dollar amounts are over there. And an extra spin right there. Okay, maybe I should just let it do what it wants to. Oh, 2 more extra spins. Yay. I was thinking you guys jinxed me. Maybe not so much. 2 more free spins. It's a nothing win though. Lots of sevens. Let's go. 1 more. Oh, 3 more free spins. And a $5 plus $5, $6, $7 to it. I'll take that one. Ready? Oh, not good. More sevens and another free spin. As long as it keeps me alive, I'm good with that. I'm playing a $1.50 bet. I love it. There we go. 141 overall, looks like. Yay! Yay, 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 yay.